Hello, today I'm reviewing my LG washer and dryer. It's actually a combo, but today I'll be talking about the washer. I actually have a load of laundry in here. What's so great about this washer machine is the space inside. Wow, it's a 4.5 cubic feet. It's actually really pretty big, and it actually has really smooth sides. It actually the inside, so it doesn't snag. It's actually really great. Today I'm washing a load of socks and one shirt, and so I'm going to shut the door right here. I already put the laundry detergent in here. It actually goes in here, and it's really nice. They have different, all written down. It shows, here's where you put your liquid soap, detergent, and then it also has bleach, and it's all written, so it's really easy to read. So I just close that up, and up here is the control panel. You just would hit washer. So I hit washer already, and you figure out what you want. Mine's going to be a speed wash. I'm going to hit that because it's a smaller load, but depending on what your clothes you're washing, it gives you all these options of normal bedding, heavy duty, delicates. And what's nice about this washer is you actually can, get on, you can do Wi-Fi, you can actually do it, there's an app from your phone. You actually be sitting down on your couch and you can control all this. You don't even have to press buttons, but if you press buttons, you can actually just come right up here and whatever temperature you want. Right here it has automatically tells you what you can be, but you can change it. You can hit temperature, and it can go from cold, a little hot, warmer, and then hot. I put it somewhere in the middle, and then spin. You can put whatever spin you want. I don't really need it on high on this one. I'll probably put it somewhere in the middle, and then light soil, and probably just leave that. And then you can look over here. In this case, I'm not going to need an extra rinse, or I'm not going to steam it. Depending on what clothes you're washing, you have that option at least. And the turbo wash, or you can pre-wash it. But in this case, I'm not going to do that. What's nice also about this washer machine is it also has a child safety lock. It's there's somewhere you can press for the safety lock in case your kids are around and you don't want them to get in here. It could be it wouldn't be safe. So they actually have that feature, which is really nice. So basically, I'm doing a speed wash because it's a smaller load of laundry. We'll get it going right now. All you have to do is just press it. I just press it right up here. I don't know why it's not going. Try it. Some reason it's not going. We'll try it again. Some reason, if it's not working, you just try it again. I guess I took too long. I hit speed wash, and then I hit the temperature. I like medium. I don't want all high. I put this in the medium, and I don't need any of that. And then I don't know why it's not working. Oh, okay. There we go. I think you just have to hold it down. It's going to go 15 minutes, and then it should be done. So I'll kind of show it to you. This is the start of it. It's a really good wash. It really gets a good cleaning. I've done a number of washes already. It kind of comes out, it smells really clean. This is a really nice machine to have. It has a 2-year manufacturer warranty. It's very quiet. That's the main thing I've noticed, is this machine is really quiet. My last washer machine I had was so noisy. It was just crazy noisy. This one's really quiet. Depending on what you're washing, every cycle is different. Some of them are louder than other ones, depending on what you're washing. if you know, it could be a little bit louder, but you know, overall, I mean, my wife and I have done a number of different washes, and it's like it's been quiet no matter which one. We did sheets the other day, and it still sounded pretty quiet, the machine. Even the dryer sounds quiet. It's remarkable, amazing how advanced these washer machines are. My next segment, I'm going to talk about the dryer.